What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. Before I get into it, I'm going to go ahead and give a little bit more info on the giveaway. I have another video coming out, so if you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you stay in the link with this if you want a free pair of shoes. So I got a video coming up explaining exactly how it's going to go down, the reason for it, everything. So that's about the giveaway. It should be in the next one or two videos. Just figuring out the details of it, how we can get it done, stuff like that. So make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed if you want a free pair of shoes, especially like probably one of ones. Well, two of two. Alright, so this right here. Now, before I open this, I'm going to go back to the past dude. We call him Dude from the Past. I'm going to go back to him, have that unboxing, because, I had to buy two pairs of these shoes. The first ones I got from Adidas, they were jacked. So I got rid of those, and now I got a bigger size, and I made sure that these were 100%. So, yeah, go back to him, Dude from the Past. Let's jump into this. Today I'm going to open this with a little, whatever this is called, Tootsie Pop. Yeezy Powerphase, size 12. Now, if you click on this video, whichever side, probably this side, it'll take you to the first pair that I got, the OGs, the cream, and these are the gray ones. These are the first ones that have come out since the OG. I mean, these are, cheap shoes. They're like $120 something, but I'm noticing that the bottom, right off the bat, I don't know if y'all can see it, but this one, pretty flat. You can see that. And then, look at that one. It's got like a weird hump curl thing in it. See what I mean? Like, I don't know. That's just weird. Whatever. Yeah, you can see it a little bit better there. It's just lifted up off the table. So, I don't know. I'll try them on. It's really weird. Alright, so you saw how messed up those were. Now, shout out to homeboy on eBay. His name's Dusty25_4. Right down here. Homeboy's pretty cool, man. He hooked it up. I don't know if he gets a lot of shoes, but I would definitely check him out. So, I'm going to open this with my old hard drive because it's a piece of crap. Oh, and shout out to Hewlett Packard. This, like, my laptop is out of warranty. And I emailed him to tell him how pissed off I was because the hard drive just started clicking. Like, if it wasn't being used, it would just tick, 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 tick. I had to beat the crap out of the computer to get it to, stop ticking. Otherwise, it would just crash. So I emailed him to let him know how pissed off I was. And they just sent me a brand new hard drive. They're like, it's out of warranty, but, we want to make sure that our customers are happy. So they just sent me a brand new hard drive and instructions on how to install it and everything. So thank you, Hewlett Packard. You guys are awesome. My wife is still Apple, and she's had 4 Apple laptops die on her in the past 5 years. So I think they're built to die. No, maybe 6 years, but I'm pretty sure they're built to die because that's a lot of money. But let's get into it. Let's open these up. I had to get me another pair of these. And more than likely, you know, I recorded a video when I first got them, which was, you know, about a month ago or something. But I never put it out because I needed to get another pair. And this is the other pair. I didn't want to just, you know, I love Adidas too much for that. Ah, not working. But yeah, I love Adidas way too much to show that one. I mean, the left shoe was good, but the right one, it definitely, it was warped. I mean, you saw it. That was horrible. So I had to get another pair, give them another shot. And here they are. I got those in a 12. These are a size 13 gray Powerphase Calabasas Yeezy blah blah blah. So see how these look. These look amazing. No warpage, not been worn. Thank you, Dusty. You are the man. These look better than a lot of the shoes that I have seen out there. Even the ones that I've gotten. The ones that I've gotten come with flaws. The first ones that I got had a few flaws in them. The second ones I got had a few flaws in them. These look amazing. Thank you, dude. You're the man. So, here we go with that. Yeezy Powerphase. I got these, you know, the first video I did on the tan ones. I called them dad shoes. And, I got rid of them because I wasn't a dad, but now I'm going to be a dad, so I had to get another pair, and they matched the Beluga 2.0s, so had to get them. I got to have at least one pair, and I'm definitely not getting the Nike Monarchs, so that's the typical dad shoe. I'm definitely not going that route. So, yeah, I'm definitely happy I picked these up. They feel great. They are amazing. Tongue's a little rough on that, but I really don't care because the rest of it is smooth as butter. I love these because the leather is like super, super soft, but it kind of feels like it's real thin, and like if you have long toenails and wear them without socks, it might poke a hole in them. But yeah, so I definitely had to cop these yesterday. This is just for people that have stayed this long. Yesterday, we found out that we're having a boy. So, definite hype beast, little baby hype beast. He's definitely going to be just like me and collect shoes. I'm going to get him doubles of everything that I get. So, get those, get a double. Get anything, I'm doubling up. Hopefully they come out with more baby Yeezys because I'm not paying resale on those, but I want to get him a pair. So, yeah, yeah, that's the end of it. I got some on feet coming. Sorry for the delay in this, but I didn't want to just deal and give you guys a crappy video with a crappy shoe. So I wanted to get a good one before I did that. So yeah, sorry about the delay. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Follow me on social media. That way you can stay up to date on everything. And until next time, man, I hope y'all have a good one. Peace.